What's up everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be unboxing UniFi 6LR aka long range. This access point comes with an wireless 6 standard which is also known as AX. It comes with 4x4 MU MIMO technology and OFDMA. It also comes with IP54 rated water and dust protection for indoor and outdoor mounting. Let's start the unboxing. I bought this product from UniFi India's website. The entire process was extremely smooth and the product was delivered to me within 3 to 4 days.